if you're a beginner, one of the things you can do is sell things that you have at home. And when you sell things and all your sales are not just dropship items, the quality of the account and the strength of the account is higher. And that is one thing I suggested that he did. And if you're watching this on YouTube and you're a beginner, you want to list something that you have from home or something that's not dropshipping, and it would help the account.
If I will be you, bro, I would look up for the sales event, like only to put 5% sales event on all your items, and you'll get your price in red, like, and they will stand out of other competitor. Like, yeah, you should look for that. It's working for me.
All right, what's up guys? Mark Augustine here. And in this video, we have a kind of different video. If you don't know who I am, I've been dropshipping on eBay since 2011. And we have a beginner eBay dropshipper named Justin. He's from Trinidad, lives in Miami. He's a chef. We went to the same high school. That's a whole long story how we met. But we're gonna go into like hit what he's been doing as a beginner and document his journey and get the results. But before we get into that, Oliver, you want to introduce yourself really quickly?
Yeah, guys, I'm Oliver doing dropshipping. I'm Canadian and I do dropshipping from Vietnam in Da Nang. And I'm doing this since about like 6 months. Yeah. And having pretty good result also.
Right, yeah, we just did a video with Oliver. You guys would have seen Oliver in previous videos, so I'll put a link to his group. I'll put a link to some of his videos. But Justin, you want to introduce yourself before you share your screen?
Hey everyone, my name is Justin. How are you guys? I'm a chef in Miami. Been here living in Miami for 10 years. But prior to that, I lived in Trinidad and Tobago for a majority of my life. Yes, Mark mentioned that we went to the same high school. Big up our school, Fatima.
Fatima, yeah.
Yeah, Fatima College. I started drop shipping just last week and I haven't seen results yet, but with the system, I'm way happy to think of never this ever happened. You know what I mean? So I don't know if you want me to share my screen.
Right, yeah. Share your screen. So just a bit of context. Justin was asking me to do a Zoom call with him before because I didn't even know he listed some stuff. So first, Justin, let me see the quote.
So I searched up this coat online and this is like 660. I always had this in my house and I didn't know. So and it's fox fur. And you could even see on the tag it was for a model. I don't know that model's name, but yeah, it's something expensive. Yeah.
So let me just say one thing. The reason why this is important for a beginner in particular, we are going to edit out his store, right? But if you're a beginner, one of the things you can do is sell things that you have at home. And when you sell things and all your sales are not just dropship items, the quality of the account and the strength of the account is higher. And that is one thing I suggested that he did. And if you're watching this on YouTube and you're a beginner, you want to list something that you have from home or something that's not dropshipping, and it would help the account. But sorry, Justin, go ahead.
Yeah, so I listened to Mark with that advice, and I found some stuff at home that I'm still looking around. I have some bunch of stuff in my house that I could probably, put up on eBay.
But it said 10 viewed in the past 24 hours. If you notice that on the left. So people are actually viewing it.
Yes, correct.
Yeah, this one is working.
So
right. So you listed that. That's one actual item. But what I'm curious about, you listed other items that are not dropshipping?
That are dropshipping. So pretty much I went through like the scanner, as you could see. Now it's working. As you see, I have one.
You're substituting mostly.
Correct. I was trying to substitute. So I've been looking around because I searched up a bunch of car parts. So I guess I found these sellers that had car parts. And some are selling, some are not, but I've been like just looking around like what's sold in the last like 90 days within. So like this, I was looking at the universal 2-inch. I think I found something similar and I posted it here. All right, here, this water pump for $13.39. And you could see they sold theirs for $15.98.
Ah, right.
So I have this here for $13.39. It's a digital.
And how many listings have you put up so far?
So far, 38 within only yesterday was my first day posting because I was still like learning with YouTube and stuff. Trust me, I've been watching a lot of these videos.
And do you run marketing sales? Do you run sales event? I mean,
no, not as yet. just started. Like, trust me. So I'm still learning with on calls with you, Mark, and watching some
Yeah.
of the videos.
But if I will be you, bro, I would look up for the sales event, like only to put like 5% sales event on all your items, and you'll get your price in red, like, and they will stand out of other competitor, like, and yeah, you should look for that. It's working for me.
So sales event like on
So if
Amazon,
you're going to the
No, on
marketing,
eBay, on
marketing,
eBay. You have
yeah,
on
to set
eBay.
up. So we'll do a, so guys, this video is going to be on YouTube. So I just kind of like summarize what we got from this video. On the first day, Justin part-time listed 38 items doing sniping and product substitution, well, 37 and one from his house. If you look at the views, so Justin, I'm glad you ordered it by views. You see, and you have an item that got 2 views. You have items that getting views, and you only listed yesterday. So you're doing the right thing. But Oliver said one of the things to look into is sales events, but we wouldn't go into that in this video. We could do a separate video on how to set up sales event. Oliver can tell you right now, but like the video,
yeah, it's
subscribe to the channel. I didn't want to make a long video for YouTube, but like this is what of the first day as a beginner eBay dropshipper from Miami using ecom sniper. Look, put a link to Oliver's group. I'll put a link to my calendar. I'll put a link to Grand Cam group. But yeah, we're gonna continue. Oliver's gonna like give him some advice off camera. But I just wanted to record this for you guys on YouTube. If you guys have any questions about eBay dropshipping from Amazon, especially, let us know in the comment section. I see Ronnie just jumped in. Have a good one, guys.